In today's video, I will be showing you how I got this knotless box braid look. If you're interested, continue watching. For this hairstyle, I used the Ghana pre-stretch braiding hair in the color 30 and the inch was 40 inches. The 40 inch was super short for me. It was actually bra length. I suggest that you get a longer inch for this hairstyle. I also used some eco gel, hair wax, beads, rubber bands, some Lotta body mousse, an edge brush, a tail comb, and a white tooth comb. Guys, let me tell you, I was nervous as hell, being that it was my first time ever doing something like this to my hair. So you know your girl had to say a prayer, especially being that it was my birthday in a few days. So it was a mood where whether or not this hairstyle turned out right, I just had to wear it due to the fact that I could not get an appointment because of the coronavirus. Starting off with my tail comb, I part my hair into 4 sections. I did the classic front to back, then the ear to ear method. Now I'm going to be parting my hair into large squares. I tried making them as neat as I possibly could. Also, anything I did to the right side, that was what I did to the left side. At this point, the angle at which I was recording was making it hard for me to see how I was parting my hair, so I went ahead and did it off camera. With this half looking like that, I went off camera again with the other half looking like that. Then I went off camera and did the back of my hair. Now, each package comes with 3 bundles. This is what I do to each bundle. I separate that 1 bundle into 2, then that 2 I separate it into 4. In total, I got 24 braids, but I only used 23. What I'm doing here is laying the braids out, making it easier for me to access when I start my braiding process. First, I'm going to be removing my bantu knot. Then I'm going to be combing my hair through. After that, I'm going to be applying the hair wax around the perimeters of the square parting. I really like brushing and combing the hair wax around the perimeters of the parting because I feel like it gives it a more defined and sleek look. After that, I am going to be separating my hair into 3 sections. Now I'm going to take my braid and separate it into 3 even strands. Now for the braiding process, what you want to do is ensure that you put each braiding strands directly under each section of your real hair. Then you're going to start braiding inwards. You're not going to do the regular braiding, you are going to start braiding inwards because that is how you're going to create the knotless braid illusion. Whereas your real hair, conceal the knot, putting it on the other side of the braid. Also, if you did not get that, please do not worry because I will be repeating these steps with 2 other braids. Again, after removing my bantu knot, I comb my hair through. Then I apply the hair wax around the perimeters of the square parting. I usually like brushing the hair wax through my hair because I feel like it gives me a more defined and sleek look. After that, I'm separating my hair into 3 sections. Next, I am separating the braiding hair into 3 even strands. Now I am aligning each braiding strands under each section of my real hair. Then I am going to start braiding inwards. It is very important that you braid inwards because that is how you're going to create the knotless illusion by braiding inwards, making the knot on the other side of the braid. And again, if you did not get this, fear not because I will be repeating this process again. Again, after removing my bantu knot, I comb my hair through. Then I start applying the hair wax around the perimeters of my square parting. Personally, I really like brushing the hair wax through because it gives me a more defined and sleek look. Then I'm going to be splitting my hair into 3 sections. Now I am separating my braiding hair into 3 even strands. When braiding, you want to ensure that each strand is under each section of your real hair. Then you are going to start by braiding inwards. I cannot stress enough that you need to braid inwards. Please eliminate the regular braiding process. Braiding inwards is how you are going to make the knotless braid illusion. As I explained earlier, the 40-inch that I bought, it was really short. It was actually bra length, so I had to feed in here at the ends. However, if you're trying to do this look, buy a longer length so you won't have to do that. And as you can see, that is the braids that I have going for right now. I will be going off camera to finish the look. After approximately 6 hours, I am back with the result looking like this. Of course, it is not going to be perfect, and I was really liking my first try result. Here, I am going to start my trimming process. Then I started my hot watering process. Next, I'm going to start adding my beads. Here I'm going to tame my edges. Now for the final touch, I'm going to add some mousse. And this is the end result. So that is it for me in this video, guys. Do not mind me, I was just putting my do-rag on because I wasn't going anywhere. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, remember to subscribe to the channel to join the family. Also turn your post notification on so you are the first one notified whenever I upload a video. Please remember to follow my socials, that is my TikTok, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter at AYAFARRR. If you did not get that, you can click the links in my description box. They'll take you straight to my social media pages. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.